Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I want to tell you all about these Hardline Products registration sticker plates for your inflatable boat or dinghy. This kit comes with everything that you could possibly need to put registration on your dinghy, including the zip ties to attach it. It also comes with this catalog full of nice glossy pictures of all of the other items that Hardline Products offers. Now let me show you these sticker plates. What I love most about them is they will fit your entire registration number on there. They are 24 inches by 4 inches in size. I love that they are a little bit flexible, and I love that the corners are rounded so they're not going to poke a hole in your dinghy. That's fantastic. It comes with pre-drilled holes in it, so you know it's going to be easy to attach. It's made out of nice thick plastic, so you know it's going to last you a long time. And it also is UV protection, so it's not going to yellow from the sun. What I personally love about these plates is that we needed them for our boat, and the side of our boat is not smooth, and we didn't want to just paint some letters on there. So this gave us a nice smooth surface where we could put the letters and the name of our boat and everything that we needed on these plates and then attach the plates. These letters attached very nicely. They stuck very good. There are two different sides to these, but they have a little sticker on them that tells you which side to put your numbers and letters. And you can see here that everything goes on very nice, very smooth, and it looks great. The sticker on the number plate comes off very easily with soap and water, and you're ready to go.
And that's my point of view.